Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here for the second episode for my Bandhavgarh travel series. And I want to express my gratitude for the amazing response received for my first video. Thank you all for subscribing, liking, and sharing my content. If you're new here, please take a moment to like, subscribe, comment, and share it with others. Before we start today's journey, I would like to give all of you a brief overview of the three major safari zones in Bandhavgarh National Park. Starting with Khitauli zone, where we'll be going today morning, and the same zone we had visited in the previous episode as well. The next zone is Magadhi, which is planned for the afternoon safari. Magadhi currently is the best zone in terms of tiger sightings in Bandhavgarh National Park. The next zone is Tala. This is the oldest zone where Bandhavgarh Fort is situated. There is also a 10th century statue of Vishnu called as Sheshaya, which is highly revered and is a major tourist attraction. You will see more of Tala zone in episode 3 and 4. Tala, Magadhi and Khitauli are the core zones. There are also 3 buffer zones called as Damokar, Johila and Panpati. Unlike the core zones which are closed during the monsoons, buffer zones are open throughout the year, and also now they offer night safaris as well. The gates opened at 6 am and we were on our way to the morning safari in Khitauli zone. After following the pug marks for quite some time, we finally found Chota Beam. He gave us some beautiful photo opportunities before disappearing into the thickets. We continued roaming in the area as we knew he was there, and then the guide suggested that it's better to wait near a ravine which has some water, and there is high chances that he may come there. And we waited, hoping that Chota Beam would once again grace us with his presence. And indeed, our patience was rewarded. Chota Beam came out, drank water, and then went back like a boss. And that was our morning safari with Chota Beam in Khitauli zone. So we went back to our resort, had a good break, and then was ready for the afternoon safari in Magadhi. The gates opened like clockwork, and we were on our way inside the Magadhi zone for our afternoon safari. Almost immediately, we found our first tiger. The tiger was spotted sitting inside a waterhole but facing away from us, and it was quite far. So we decided to continue our journey and try our luck in some other part of the park. Our decision of waiting near the waterhole turned out to be a very big success, and we found this beautiful male tiger called as Jamol. Jamal suddenly became alert and got up after he saw two forest guards who just came in their bike. He decided it was enough and then walked away into the bushes. And we were all very happy for the photo and video opportunities that we got. It was truly a very excellent sighting that we had. We were very thrilled on how the safari had turned out to be. Excellent sighting with Jamal, and we were almost near the exit gate. Little did we know that the sightings are not yet over, and then we found our next tiger. The tiger we found was a sub-adult male cub of a tigress named as Ra. The tiger went on its way, and it was also time for us to exit the park. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Thank you.